Try out these simple home remedies to ease your flu and cold symptoms. Adding fresh lemon juice to hot tea and honey keeps you hydrated and clears mucus to avoid blockage. Have a long hot shower because the shower steam can loosen mucus and clears respiratory blockages. Gargling with a glass of warm water mixed with a spoon of salt reduces congestion of mucus, which contains bacteria and allergens. A few slices of raw ginger roots and lemon in boiled water can help to soothe cough and influenza. Adding a garlic supplement to your diet can potentially fight symptoms of cold and help to avoid getting sick in the first place. A bowl of chicken soup with vegetables is a great effective choice in the reduction of symptoms of upper respiratory infections because it slows down the movement of neutrophils in the white blood cells, making the concentrated healing in the affected areas.